So, as a registered nurse, I know how important it is to support mental health and overall well being. And as a gardener, I know that gardening is a simple, restorative way to care for yourself by nurturing plants and connecting with nature. But did you know that research shows that observing and noticing birds and listening to their bird songs and noticing their behaviors also reduces stress, improves our mood, and helps us feel more present, which is called mindfulness. And that's why today I'm trying something new. I am unboxing the Peck Perk Smart Bird Feeder to see if it actually helps me get all the wildlife vibes that I have in the summertime in the garden. So let's get into it. I've noticed something this winter. I miss the wildlife in the garden, the butterflies, the bees, the insects. And even though the garden looks quiet, winter is actually one of the most crucial times to feed wild birds. Natural food sources like seeds and insects are often gone or buried, and a bird feeder is a way to feed birds during this crucial time. And February, which is my birthday month, is officially recognized as National Bird Feeding Month because it's the toughest month for birds to find food and water. And to give you a little context, this isn't my first smart bird feeder cam. I've had several. The first one, worked okay. We got some shots of the birds, but it was almost like a Fisher-Price looking toy. It just didn't match the vibe of my peaceful garden space. And the second video cam bird feeder we tried really looked the vibe of my garden. The colors were wonderful and it worked for a long time. It was just recently in the past month or so that we couldn't figure out what we were doing wrong with the app. We're still paying for it, but we can't use it. And so when Peck Perk reached out with this bird feeder, this video cam bird feeder, I looked at their website, I looked at the app information, I asked questions, and they have a really good affiliate dashboard and program. And so I thought, let's give this a try. So it comes with a really nice user installation manual. Experience nature like never before. So I'm already liking the design of the bird feeder. I like the fact that it's not entirely orange. I think if it was, it would be too overpowering for my vibe, but it's got the muted tan and then the orange, so I think it breaks it up very nicely. We have tested this bird feeder for over a week now, and we so far are very impressed. We have had 2 other bird feeders, like I told you before, and we really like this one better so far. One of the features we really liked is the top of the lid. It was so much easier to open it and pour the bird seed in, and it has this little screw on the back that keeps it really secure. We like that. We had not seen that in the other 2 feeders. And the app is very intuitive. It was very easy to connect the app to the bird feeder. The app is free so far for what we're using. If you want the AI recognition, you do have to pay for the app. But so far, we're really enjoying the bird feeder. The birds are coming to the bird feeder very easily. And the highlight of the birds that have visited is the woodpecker. And this bird seed that came with it, you have to buy this separately, but they gifted me this so that I could try out the bird feeder. So I don't know if there's something in this that the woodpecker is interested in. Stay tuned. We're going to watch this for a while throughout the rest of the winter and see what other birds visit. But so far, we're really enjoying the Peck Perk Smart Bird Feeder. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our garden talks, tips, tours, product reviews, or inspiration on how gardening and nature can help support your body, mind, and soul. Until next time, friends, happy gardening and happy bird watching. Bye.